Is your Microsoft Excel stuck on processing when saving a document? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If Excel is stuck on processing when saving a document, the solutions provided in this video will help you. According to the reports, when users try to save their Excel document, it gets stuck on the processing screen. The processing screen stays forever and users cannot save the document. Now let's get started on how to fix the issue. Method 1. Preliminary fixes. Before proceeding with the advanced troubleshooting steps, try these basic fixes and see if they work. You can update Office to the latest version. You can save the file to another location. You can also try creating another copy of the file with a different name. You can also enable the autosave feature for your problematic file. The autosave feature saves your data in Excel automatically. However, for this, you need to put the file in OneDrive. The issue may be due to corrupt Excel cache. Try clearing Excel cache. Method 2. Disable add-ins. Sometimes problems in Office applications occur due to some problematic add-ins. This can be the case with you. To check this, disable all add-ins in Excel following this guide and then save the file. If this works, you need to find the problematic add-in. You can do so by enabling all the add-ins one by one and saving the file after enabling each add-ins. Once you find the culprit, look for an alternative or contact its support team. Method 3. Monitor your system resources. Open the Task Manager and monitor your RAM and CPU consumption. If Excel causes high CPU usage, as explained here, troubleshoot accordingly or consider upgrading your hardware. Method 4. Disable your antivirus. Sometimes antivirus software conflicts with other programs installed on a computer. Check if this is the case with you. Disable your antivirus temporarily and then save the Excel file. If this resolves the issue, you can add the Excel exe file as an exception to your antivirus. If adding the Excel exe file as an exception does not help, you need to contact your antivirus provider for further assistance. For more details, follow this guide. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.